Hey there, in this quick video I'm going to compare the unburning RG35xx with your Miyoo Mini V4 and I'm going to look on the specs which one is better. So let's see. Now they got both same screen size, same screen resolution. The CPU is better by RG35. GPU is only for RG35. The RAM is better for RG35. The storage is better, but of course it's like it will depend what is the maximum of the amount of storage you can get also for the Mini Plus. Operating system, you have Linux Dual OS. Then game support, I couldn't get you like what kind of simulators the Mini Plus is offering. And here you're gonna have also option to have more languages. So then you're gonna have the TF card support. You're gonna have up to maximum expansion of 512. Here you're gonna have maximum expansion of 128 for the Miyoo Mini Plus. Then also you have the charging and the wireless support. The HDMI output is better for RG35xx. And now the weight is a little bit like similar, and charging interface get better for Mini Plus. So just wanted to make like this quick video for you regards both of these and what are the differences. So have a great day and goodbye.